Hello everyone, this is Om and here I am explaining you something which going on my mind. Yeah, just actually this is my English practice session. Every Sunday I will share with you one special topic where I will give my perspective, my viewpoint and how I considered it. Today topic is religion. What the exact meaning of religion? Basically where we live, the every people is religious. uh, doesn't matter which religion you have been belong. The matter is that every person in surrounding all are religious person. But does they really religious? Look at our society. If everyone so religious, so why our society is in a not engaged in a what discipline? We are not maintaining cleanliness in our society. We spread hatred. We not consider people as a human. So how we can say that we are religious? Sometimes I believe it's my perspective that someone had made a religion just because to suppress the poor people, just because to rule on us. Yeah, obviously, especially women who got suppressed by the religion. And yeah, we have been suffered. See, the richer get richer and poor get poor. Doesn't feel like someone had planned and make a religious to destroy us. I felt some time. See the China, see the western country, whoever religious not have much impact, they are growing. And like India, the most of the people are religious, spiritual. Why India is lagging? What's our fault? I had seen my many of friend are doing and indulge in the religious things. They haven't get single minute for themselves, for their improvement, and they are indulged in the doing an activity of offering prayers and at all. In this amount is not required. It's my perspective, my feeling that the way it's going on, I couldn't see our great future. Our youth, especially the people who belong to low income and poverty level, I believe that the 80% of India belong to this level, and it's not good at all. We all have been suffering. Someone made this religion for suppress us, and it's working. It's working because we are following blindly. We never asking a single question. We have to understand that what's our history, what's our mythology. The religious story, just take a lesson from them, that what's goods on there, what they want to teach us. But don't believe them blindly, because none of any religious story is a history. None of. All of them are just mythology. Some of for teach us, some of for rule us, some of for suppress us. So whoever you are, especially for women, just make a distance from religion. It will destroy yourself. It's generally made for to suppress you. And for men also, don't be so religious. Be a scientific. Use your reasoning. Use your brain. I feel that be a religious little bit, not so much, because we have to left poverty behind. We have to left uneducation behind. We should be educated. We should be accept the scientific technology, everything. We have to participate in invention. What's our contribution in invention? Have you ever heard last time when we get Nobel Prize in this kind of fields? Never ever. We all are using the application invented by the foreigner from other countries, and they are earning money, and which we are just utilized by them. It's not good at all. It's really concerning for everyone. All my friend, I have only one request to you. Please wake up. It's time. It's time to raise your voice. If you follow any religion, just follow but don't follow blindly. Ask the question. Understand what's the difference between the mythology and history. Whatever story you have learned from your religion, if this story is not included in your school history book, so does not believe on that. Just take them as a mythology story. Mythology means the which is not actual happened earlier. It might be a just a local story spread by the people. That's thing. So since 2014, since the BJP government has come, I felt that this kind of activities, religious things, has increased dramatically. Has increased. That's my concern, my brother. Okay, I think it's enough for today. Whoever agree with me, they can suggest they can suggest me what next video I should make, and whoever agree with me, they can also share their viewpoint. Whoever not agree with me, they can also counter question on me. Okay, bye bye. Take care.